10 Powerful Benefits of Vinegar. Vinegar is a powerful and versatile ingredient that has been used for centuries in cooking, cleaning, and natural remedies. Known for its acidic properties and rich nutrient content, vinegar offers a wide range of benefits that go beyond the kitchen. From supporting digestion and regulating blood sugar to enhancing hair and skin health, this simple household staple can improve overall well-being in numerous ways. Below are 10 key benefits of vinegar that make it an essential addition to any home. Aids digestion. Vinegar, especially apple cider vinegar, can promote gut health by encouraging good bacteria growth and improving digestion. Regulates blood sugar. Studies suggest that vinegar can enhance insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar spikes, benefiting individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. Natural disinfectant. Due to its antimicrobial properties, vinegar effectively kills bacteria and viruses, making it a great non-toxic household cleaner. Eliminates odors. Vinegar neutralizes strong odors in laundry, garbage disposals, and refrigerators, acting as a natural deodorizer. Improves skin health. When diluted, vinegar can help balance skin pH, reduce acne, and soothe irritation. Enhances hair care. Vinegar works as a natural hair rinse to remove buildup, add shine, and restore scalp health. Preserves food. Vinegar prevents bacterial growth in pickled foods, extending their shelf life and keeping them fresh. Supports weight loss. Consuming vinegar may increase feelings of fullness, leading to reduced calorie intake and potential weight loss. Promotes heart health. Vinegar has been linked to lowering cholesterol and blood pressure, which can help support cardiovascular health. Soothes sore throats. Thanks to its antibacterial properties, diluted vinegar can be used as a gargle to help ease throat irritation. Vinegar is truly a game changer, offering countless benefits for health, home, and beyond. Whether you're using it for digestion, cleaning, or personal care, this simple yet powerful ingredient proves its worth in so many ways. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on natural remedies and everyday wellness. There's plenty more to discover, so don't miss out on the next video.